Let's see with the family. Let's go do this. Ooh, it's dark in here. Just swell. Well, it's trying to make something. We're not going to be able to see it. Look at the floor. It's making me dizzy. Hello.
Feet, legs, and fins.
Congratulations. The other two. 2 or 3.
Watch out, Sue.
You want to go? You want to go with her? Oh, there.
Next party, please hold for me 1 second. I'm in your party.
Me and him.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Watch your step and right in there for me. Okay. Watch your step.
Huh? Yeah, but we don't want her around. Bye, honey. Love you. Stay well. You'll be fine. I'm with him.
Yeah.
How did that happen? Oh, the ride stopped. It's his fault, right?
We're just taking a nice slow route.
Oh, we're taking the slow road. You all right, honey? All good. So now you gotta find Nemo. Like that Yeah. Well, that's the whole goal. There's 3 loop-de-loops in this one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Get off your phone. Oh, you're allowed to do that. That's Nemo. That's Nemo. We found him. Okay, we can get off the ride now.
Right over.
That's it. We're done. We found him. Oh, there he is. Oh,
Straight there.
Gone.
Months ago.
There he is.
Floors, it's time to.
Oh, he's gone.
Nemo's swimming out the sea!
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes
There he is.
on the
Found him.
way.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, let's go explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Oh,
These orange slides and pretend like you only saw.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
that's Nemo's dad.
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
He's a clownfish.
I can help.
Yeah.
There. There's Nemo. That guy's always scared. Nice. What is this?
Good.
Jellyfish.
Yeah.
And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. I was thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like
Getting dark.
oh yeah, too fast for you.
I hope there's no sharks.
Popular name's gonna come up.
What? Who's that guy? Stay in there. Stay in there.
More super, mate. Fish are friends. Delicious friends.
Why are we stopping in front of this?
Clownfish take. Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite.
Where did he go, Lise? Lise, where did he go? Where did he go? Uh-oh. I think we have a turtle ride going on here. I think they need to reline the cameras.
Kill the matter, Dick.
Nemo, found him.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo! Yay!
Look, they're in a real tank. That's real fish. Nemo. How are they doing this?
I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming round the sea.
Great you are, explorers!
We're here with all our friends. Blue world. Journey together into hearts
Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but it just never stops. Yeah.
It never stops. Yep.
It's time to come out of your shell. Bye-bye now. So long, explorers. Oh, the ocean is vast. Each day we learn.
All right.
Yeah, thank you, honey.
Well, there you go, honey. You saw. Did you find Nemo?
Yes.
Yeah, we made it.
We made it for the second time.